Hello everyone, Ripalsa once again from London with some changes from 26th of October regarding the travel between UK to India. As we all know, from UK to India, when you fly, you have to fill Air Suvidha form, which is compulsory. So now some of the airlines, they will ask you for the hard copy at the airport. So make sure you print your Air Suvidha form and keep it on piece of paper to show them when you go to the airport. Number two, up to now, there was only two things you have to attach when you fill the Air Suvidha form: your passport, of course, and the second thing, your COVID result. But now, since 26 October, day before yesterday, the one extra question added in Air Suvidha form, which is your COVID pass certificate. So you have to attach your COVID pass certificate. So the advantage of it, if you attach your COVID pass certificate, it means you got your both vaccine done in the UK before 14 days of your travel. And if you attach that certificate in Air Suvidha form, they will waive your corona test on the arrival on India airport, on Mumbai, Ahmedabad or Delhi, if you are going on direct flight. So that will save you lots of time and money. Absolutely. So Indian government, they waive the corona test on the arrival on Indian airport. If you go to the direct flight and if you got both vaccine done and if you have a COVID pass later with you, they won't do your another corona test on the arrival airport. True. Which is good news, saving your lots of time and money when you land there. So make sure you keep your COVID pass letter ready, printed and in your mobile both way, Air Suvidha form printed and in your email both way, please, before you go to the airport. Number two, lots of people, they reached on the airport and I heard that they confused there to fill the declaration form, especially with the Virgin Atlantic and British Airways. When you go especially with Virgin Atlantic and British Airways, you have to do the corona test, which we all know 72 hours before. Air Suvidha form we all know, but there is a two flight, Virgin Atlantic and British Airways, you have to fill the declaration form. For Virgin Atlantic, it's easy, it says India declaration form, you fill it and submit it, that's it. So when you go to the airport, you don't have to scan the barcode and fill that form again and waste your time in the UK airport. British Airways, wherever you go, India, Pakistan or wherever, the British Airways compulsory, you have to do the declaration form on ba.com. So when you go to the ba.com, go to the manage my booking, put your PNR number and surname, accept the terms and condition, and it will come one blue bar, open the form. Click on open form, put your information, your basic question and attach your COVID result there, and that's it. So whatever the question, answer it, basic question, your date of birth, passport number, whatever, etc., etc. Attach your COVID letter and your COVID pass on the ba.com. That is compulsory before you go to the airport. So it won't waste your time on the airport. Lots of people are panicking when they reach on the airport. So be careful. So Air Suvidha form, you know now, the India airport, when you land there, COVID test is gone now. But before you leave UK, you have to do still COVID test is still compulsory. So I will repeat in Hindi language. Whoever understand English language come out. So स्मॉल चेंजेस हुआ है 26 अक्टूबर से. अगर आपका कोविड दोनों वैक्सीन हो गया है कोविड का और आपके पास कोविड पास लेटर है सर्टिफिकेट, तो आप अटैच कर दीजिए एयर सुविधा के फॉर्म में. और आपका जो कोविड टेस्ट से व्हेन यू लैंड इन मुंबई, अहमदाबाद और दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट इन डायरेक्ट फ्लाइट, इट विल वेव्ड, यू कैन कम आउट इजीली. आपका समय भी बच जाएगा, पैसे भी बच जाएंगे और इट्स गुड न्यूज़. सो यू डोंट हैव टू डू अनदर कोविड टेस्ट देयर. नंबर 2, अगर आप वर्जिन और ब्रिटिश एयरवेज से जा रहे हैं तो आपको डिक्लेरेशन फॉर्म भी भरना पड़ेगा एयर सुविधा के साथ. तो बी केयरफुल बिफोर यू गो टू द एयरपोर्ट. एयरपोर्ट पे जाने से पहले केयरफुल रहे. कोविड का टेस्ट का जो रिजल्ट आया है वो अटैच करना पड़ेगा ba.com पे जाके, ब्रिटिश एयरवेज की वेबसाइट पे. और वर्जिन अटलांटिक का भी आपको डिक्लेरेशन फॉर्म भरना पड़ेगा, तो आपका टाइम सेव हो जाएगा. एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ऑल माई व्यूअर्स. अप टू नाउ आई गॉट 100,000 1 lakh व्यू on my YouTube channel. Lots of support I got it, and lots of viewers getting very good comment. Thank you so much for that. Lots of the country I didn't know up to now. When I went in the setting on my YouTube channel, I looked at 27 country. The people are following me. Of course, UK, India and USA on the top, but then 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 27 country, including Nepal, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Dubai, South Africa, Canada, people are following me. Thank you so much, and to encourage me with the good comments. And you know what, whenever some new changes will come in the travel industry, I will come to you and I'll give it to you straight. Like you and love you all. Thank you so much. Bye for now.